Welcome to Technology Screen. And once again I bring the 5 minutes tip. What's the tip? Quite necessary issue and many people find it, well, a lot confusing. Sometimes. File save. How to do that? So come on, let's start. So, let's say here. I created some worthless artwork and I want to save it. So simply go to File, Save, and from here you will give it a name. Let's say I want to save on my desktop, so I name it Hexagon, right? And from here, I'll simply save it. Okay, here. Let me tell you, that if you create on CC or any other version, and you want to open this file on an older version, not the newer one I say, press OK. And it gets saved, simple. Now when you save, there's another option called Save As. Notice below, in which format you want to save. Like RE or PDF, even you can save PDF files from here. So, I suggest if you make your CV or resume, always save it in PDF, design them on Illustrator and save in PDF. The advantage is Acrobat, Google Chrome or even Firefox can open PDF files. It can also be saved in PDF format. So let's say I also saved this file in PDF, press Save, and here it may ask you for some compression matters. I don't think you need it now, do you? So simply save as PDF. Let me show you the file too. Here's your Hexagon file. Notice the PDF icon is shown. And yeah, if I open it, it's opened in Acrobat Reader. And yes, it is still vector. You can zoom in or out. It won't be pixelated at all. Okay. Next, another format you have EPS. Go to Save As, and down here you can see EPS. Okay, what's EPS format? Encapsulated PostScript, it is. It's a type, which lets you to open your file in different softwares. The Urdu software called InDesign, no, InPage, sorry, from InPage. You can save EPS files too and you can open it on Photoshop or Illustrator. Similarly, you can create EPS from here. One more thing given here called SVG. What is SVG? Scalable Vector Graphics. It's for the web. So let's say I save the hexagon on SVG format, and simply press OK. Come to below. Now, the SVG file I saved. The special thing about SVG is that Firefox, Chrome or whatever browsers you have, you can open on there too. Let's say I open Firefox, and if I drag and drop the hexagon file here, see this? It can run in your browser. And amazingly, it's zoomable. So even if you zoom in or out, or stretch the window, like if the window is increasing or decreasing in size, this will automatically resize itself. So yes, it's also much useful. SVG images are used in many mobile apps and even websites nowadays. Now another amazing thing about SVG, it's really an interesting format, like if you want keyboard tapping, open on Notepad. Just like HTML coding, SVG has its coding too. See this? And you can also change its color from here. So let's say, this color, I completely want red here. So the hexadecimal code of red is FF0000. And I'm saving it, and refresh from here, browser. See this? The outer ring becomes red. So just keep in mind that you can export SVG directly from here. SVG is one kind of coding language. Get it? And you can create images through coding but no need. Your Illustrator creates for you anyway. Right. So I hope you loved these tips and won't be facing issues while saving files. If you loved the video, please give it a like, and if you didn't subscribe yet, do it. Why haven't you yet, friends? Thank